welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Dr. Ross and I just watched the film Smile at our local cinema, and it was an excellent film, 10 out of 10.
That's right. IK and I watch films globally, as you know if you follow our Instagram, rosengold.us. And IK's right, we just watched Smile, but there's many other films coming out just like Black Adam. It releases on October 20th, but for the regular people, October 21st. What are your thoughts about Black Adam, IK?
I'm excited for the film. You know, The Rock, this is going to be his first introduction into the DC multiverse, which I'm excited for. Only thing, they should have puffed his lips up on the cover. But still,
right.
With all of the new characters, Adam Smasher, they have Pierce Brosnan in it, I'm excited. Dr. Ross and I are going to be in the next one, so make sure to look out for that. One thing I'd say about this poster, they made The Rock look good, they put all of the editing on his face,
Baby
but
oil.
maybe they should have brightened up his lips, gave him puffier lips, because they gave him the fresh newborn lips.
So they have The Rock, they have, we don't know who that is, but we know he's Adam.
Oh, get him out of here!
We have Pierce Brosnan, the multi-talented,
Wonderful, spectacular
actor.
Someone else we don't know.
Get him out of here!
Hawk guy, I don't know. This one, Dr. Ross could have taken her role.
Oh, get him out of here!
And then we have the two on the bottom.
That's right, and we don't know who the rest of the cast is, but hopefully the movie is good. That actually brings us into our next hot topic with the She's Hot contest winner. So, upon watching the trailer, we realized that one of the actresses that looks like a newcomer, one of the actresses in the film looked fantastic, so we threw her into the board of cast, and she won for the She's Hot contest. What's her name, IK?
It is none other than Miss Sarah Shahi.
Congratulations, Miss Sarah Shahi, on your win for the She's Hot contest.
She's an American actress, a former model, and she played as Carmen on The L Word in 2005. Certainly, she has a lot to her name.
Exactly.
Let's get into our hot topics. Actually, you know what? Before we do that, we'd like to mention the Jamaican winter headscarves.
That's right.
If you're looking to get your hair
Held up for the winter time because it's getting a little bit cold. IK and I are now sporting the brand new colors. You can find them on the JamaicanShampoo.com website. We have the cheetah print, we have the superheroes, we have these new prints coming out for the winter time. So make sure to get yourself one. And let's get into our hot topics.
And remember, you can purchase all of our products and items at the link in the description below at www.jamaicanshampoo.com.
That's right.
Let's get into our hot topics.
Starting off with our first hot topic, we have Kanye West. So Kanye was back in the news, and once again, he's just complaining about another thing. So first of all, he was saying Puff Daddy and Jay-Z can't hold him down, that allegedly they are keeping him away from his tour dates and canceling them, and that Pete Davidson is a heroin addict. And lastly, that Kim Kardashian has been changed to the worst side. Apparently, they've changed her into the crazy animal she is.
Just calm down. Calm down.
What are your thoughts about this, IK?
Can't hold me down. I could have sworn Kanye made a song on that. But you know what? That's besides the point. Pissy Pete with Pete Davidson, I agree with Kanye on that one. Now, that one might be true. But with Kim, Kanye, you've done so much, you might not ever get back with Kim. And
Exactly.
with everything with all of the other debacles, Kanye, take your medication. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, this is going to be our last and final hot topic, but we're going to go ahead and mention that Yellowstone star Kelsey Absine shut down the red carpet in a button-down shirt and thigh-high boots. What are your thoughts on this, IK?
This is a thumbs up for me. I always appreciate seeing the women going out there and doing their best.
Exactly. IK and I will be on the next season of Yellowstone, so keep us out in mind.
Exactly.
Season 6.
Walking bow-legged with the cowboy hat.
What? get him out of here!
These were all of our hot topics, but make sure to stay tuned for the personals XYZ
That's
and the
right.
rest of our movie scripts, which are all going to be posted on our Instagram at the link in the description below and on our YouTube channel.
That's right. The Personals XYZ is now in its editing phase, so you guys will see a trailer soon. But let's close it off, IK.
Vaya Candias, I'm ready for the winter storm. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. We're out. We'll see you in LA.